Hello friends, welcome back to iKargos YouTube channel. Today we are cutting through the jargon to bring you 20 essential customs terms you must know. Let's dive right in. 1. Importer of record. This is the entity or person responsible for ensuring imported goods comply with local laws and regulations. They are also on the hook of duties and taxes. Crucial to know who your IOR is. 2. Harmonized system code. Think of this as the international classification system for goods, a 6-digit number globally, extending up to 10 or more digits nationally, that determines duties, taxes, and regulations. Get this wrong and you are in for trouble. 3. Country of origin. Simple but vital. Where the goods were manufactured, produced, or grown. This impacts tariff, quotas, and trade agreements. 4. Customs broker. Your best friend in international trade, a licensed professional who helps importers and exporters navigate complex customs procedures, prepare documentation, and clear goods through customs. 5. Incoterms. Standardized rules for the delivery of goods between sellers and buyers, defining responsibilities, costs, and risks. Knowing your Incoterms like EXW, FOV, CIF, or DPP is non-negotiable. 6. Bill of lading. A legal document issued by a carrier to a shipper detailing the type, quantity, and destination of the goods being shipped. It serves as a contract of carriage, a receipt for goods, and document of title. 7. Commercial invoice. A primary document for customs clearance detailing the transactions between buyer and seller, including product description, quantity, price, and terms of sale. Accuracy is key. 8. Packing list supplements the commercial invoice, providing specific details about the contents of each package, including dimensions, weight, and quantity. Helps customs verify shipments. 9. Certificate of origin. A specific document certifying the country where a good was produced, often required for preferential tariff treatment under the free trade agreements. 10. Duty/tariff. A tax levied on goods imported or exported. Now these can vary widely based on the HS code and country of origin. 11. Value added tax / goods and services tax. A consumption tax applied at each stage of the supply chain where value is added, ultimately borne by the final customer. Important for pricing and financial planning. 12. Minimis value. The threshold below which imported goods are exempt from duties and taxes. This varies by country and can be a huge advantage for low-value shipments. 13. Customs bond, a financial guarantee ensuring that the importer will pay all duties, taxes, and fees for customs, often required for commercial shipments. 14. Free trade agreement, an agreement between two or more countries to reduce or eliminate tariffs and quotas on goods traded between them. A massive opportunity for cost saving. 15. Anti-dumping duties. Tariffs imposed on imported goods that are priced below their normal value in the exporting country, threatening domestic industries. 16. Countervailing duties. Tariffs imposed on imported goods that have received government subsidies in the exporting country, giving them an unfair price advantage. 17. Customs audit. When customs authorities review an importer's record to ensure compliance with import regulations and accurate payment of duties. 18. First sale rule, a method for valuing imported goods for duty purpose, allowing the use of price from an earlier sale in a multiple tiered transaction, often resulting in lower duties. 19. Advance ruling, a binding decision issued by customs authorities on specific matters like classification, origin, or valuation before goods are imported. 20. Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism, a voluntary U.S. government business initiative to build cooperative relationships that strengthen overall supply chain security. Being C-TPAT certified can expedite clearances. Understanding the nuances of customs is not just about compliance. It is about efficiency, cost reduction, and ultimately building a more resilient and predictable supply chain. That is all for today. We'll be back soon with next video on another topic. Thank you.